CarPass, we rent cars to Uber drivers or people that want to participate in the sharing economy. And we've got now just shy of 200 cars. We own the assets, so it was really important to us that we knew at any time of the day that we knew where our assets were. The other really important part of our business is being proactive with our servicing. So for us, we're not waiting for our customers to tell us when they need servicing. We can be proactive on top of that. It's user intuitive, so for us it's sort of click, click, click and everything's there. It makes it really simple for us to navigate what we need to get around. We need to know where the cars are, so if the drivers are driving safe, and obviously how long cars are being driven for, because obviously there's quite a good correlation between how long they're driving, how many kilometres they're doing. So obviously we want to make sure these drivers are driving safe, because that obviously helps our safety ratings and obviously our insurance, so that's really important to us. We've actually had 2 cars stolen and recovered. If you look at losing 2 cars, that's anywhere between sort of a $60,000 hit to our business, to our insurance, and that's quite significant in a sort of a small business environment. So our premiums would have gone up double, 3 times, next year. So that alone has saved us a truckload. So we actually share Fleet Complete with our insurance company, so they can actually see, and the reason why I guess our prices are so competitive in market is the fact that we have this risk bracket, and if you don't fit that risk bracket, then unfortunately we have to ask you to leave our platform. So that's kind of all those metrics and all those things come together, and that's why we can keep our prices as they are. One of our favourite features is the breadcrumb feature, because we can see literally tracker by tracker or event by event what's happened, and obviously we correlate that with our dash cam footage that we have in all our cars. We send that to our insurance company, and that's pretty much a nice little package that they can take to, if it's third party at fault, then we know exactly, and they can say, look, this is what happened. So everything about the platform we love.